hopefully will be going away pretty soon.
It will be. It will be. We're actually on the edge of it off to the south right now, but fairly heavy rain still exists across a good portion of central and northern Iowa, so we're still in for a bit of a soggy evening for most of us. Some of the heavier stuff just off to the east now. Grinnell all up to Gilman, Marshalltown, Conrad as well. This stuff's moving off to the north-northeast, so you'll be into the thick of it soon if you aren't already. But there is an edge to this. You can see it off to the west right now. So as we head into the evening, we'll eventually start to eat away at this edge as this shifts to the east. So plan on a drier day tomorrow, but tonight still in for at least a little bit of rain. And again, heavier parts will be off to the northeast. So Waterloo, upwards of Decorah, will be seeing this as well. But you can see even clearing skies off to the west. Really noticeable are the northwest winds that will be coming in to cool us down. That off into the Dakotas right now, and we're seeing some of those through western portions of the state too. Again, gusts upwards of 20, 30 miles an hour. So quite a bit going on out there, but thankfully we did pick up a decent chunk of rain. We absolutely needed it. Mason City over 1.5 inches. Fort Dodge nearly to that 1.5 inches. We picked up just over 3/4 of an inch for us here in Des Moines. And again, we still could get to that inch mark as we head throughout the day today, as we do have a little bit more rain on the way. But pretty comfortable out there besides that rain. 53 degrees, the wind blowing out there pretty strong, 23 miles per hour out of the north-northwest. Again, we're going to keep that wind into tomorrow, so keep those hats maybe not duct taped on, but you might need to saddle them in there somewhat. Again, gusty winds into tomorrow. We drop it to 43, so we could again be talking wind chill temperatures, but it's going to be comfortable after this system goes and after the wind finally gets out of here. But it's going to take a little bit to do so. A pretty potent system shifting off to the northeast. You can see as these black lines stay close together, that keeps our winds fairly strong. So that lasts into Tuesday. Could see some cloud cover mainly through northeastern portions of the state. But I think if you're southwestern portions or even central portions of the state, we've got a pretty decently sunny stretch ahead of us. But we will be dragging down the cooler air along with that. So plan on winds in the 20 to 30 mile an hour range tomorrow, along with highs only in the mid to upper 50s. But at least we start to see some semblance of sunshine after a fairly soggy weekend. And a little bit of light shower activity off to the northeast to end our day today. But again, we clear this out. Futurecast tries to bring in some light snow. Again, I'm not buying that. But definitely cloud cover for northeastern portions of the state. And for the rest of us, I do think we see a good chunk of sunshine. 43 tonight is what we'll drop down to. Tomorrow, we climb it up to 59. And we do keep some sunshine in the mix. But that wind is going to stay with us through Tuesday. After that, though, we clear it out. Sunny skies through Friday. Again, if you're a meteor shower person, we've got that Wednesday morning and Thursday morning as a peak, though you could see them nearly all week long here. Saturday, though, your next shot at a little bit of rain, that will be fleeting. Temperatures staying, though, in the upper 50s to low 60s.